the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Cabinet Secretary is present, the dramatists who are here, the actors, the adjudicators, the content creators, directors and producers, good afternoon. I must confess that since President William Ruto and I ascended to the high office, we have never had such a beautiful moment of relaxing, enjoying, and generally sampling the best of our creation and the creative capacity of our young people. We've really enjoyed. I'm only worried that the president after this will say we go back kwa mambo ya uchumi after such a relaxation. Rais, nakuomba tafadhali mimi unipe ruhusa nipumzike kidogo. Kama wewe unataka kurudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, wewe uendelee kwa sababu umetumiza sana kwa hii mambo ya uchumi. Najua rais wetu, when he asked me to be his running mate, he never disclosed to me that once we are set to office, our lives will change. We will become economists when some of us are dramatists. Sasa ametupindua kutoka drama tumeingia kwa mambo ya uchumi. Kwa hivyo rais, kwa saa 8 hii wewe urudi kwa mambo ya uchumi, mimi unikubalie niende niangalie hii maneno ya art and creativity kwa sababu tumefurahia sana. Your Excellency, I want to say that I am very impressed by the quality of the productions that I have seen here this morning. And I don't want to comment about it as Deputy President or as regarding Gachagua. I am myself a dramatist. And a qualified adjudicator in my own right. I studied theater arts, and you need an adjudicator who is fair. A truthful adjudicator who cannot play corners. I'll be available if we can agree on the fees. Your Excellency, what we have seen here is very pleasing to us. And I really want to thank in a very special way the teachers, the producers, and the directors who have put time and commitment to produce such fine productions. I want to thank the teachers in charge of co-curricular pay you for what you do. The hours that you put in these productions to see the kind of shows we have seen here